the with the candy canes.
Yeah, come here.
Jordan, open it up.
Pull it.
Rip it.
There you go. Look at you.
Rip it. Keep going. What's in there?
You got it.
What's in there, Jordan?
Keep going. You gotta pull it. Pull it all off.
Who's that?
Who's on there?
Who's that?
Yay!
Who's that?
Uh-oh. Lift them upside down.
Who's that?
It's Chase!
Oh my God, it's Chase.
Oh my God!
We're not gonna open him right now. We're gonna open some more gifts. Let's put them to the side, okay?
Is that? This one. This one.
A kitty stuck in a tree. Chase is on the case.
Say it. Say
Chase
it,
is on the
Jordan.
case?